50 years after Apollo 17, NASA is preparing humanity's triumphant return to the moon. The Artemis program represents the most ambitious lunar mission since the space race era. This journey will land the first woman and person of color on the lunar surface, forever changing space exploration. Artemis is named after Apollo's twin sister in Greek mythology, symbolizing this mission's connection to history. NASA's vision extends beyond simple lunar visits. They aim to establish sustainable human presence on the moon. This stepping stone will enable future journeys to Mars and revolutionize our understanding of the solar system. The Space Launch System, or SLS, is NASA's most powerful rocket ever constructed. Standing 322 feet tall, this engineering marvel combines solid and liquid propulsion systems for unprecedented lifting capacity. The SLS will carry the Orion spacecraft and astronauts beyond Earth orbit toward lunar destinations. The Orion spacecraft is humanity's next-generation crew vehicle designed for deep space missions. Featuring advanced heat shields, life support systems, and navigation technology, Orion protects astronauts during the 3-day journey to the moon. This capsule represents decades of aeronautical research and innovation. The Lunar Gateway is a revolutionary orbital station circling the moon. This multi-purpose outpost will serve as a refueling depot, research hub, and staging area for surface missions. International partners, including ESA and JAXA, will contribute modules, making this a truly global endeavor. Advanced spacesuits, called XEMU, represent the cutting edge of extravehicular activity technology. Featuring improved mobility, enhanced life support, and integrated communication systems, these suits protect astronauts in extreme lunar conditions. The suits enable 8-hour surface missions across challenging terrain. The Artemis I uncrewed test flight successfully completed in December 2022, validating all critical systems. This 3-week mission tested the SLS rocket, Orion capsule, and communication systems in realistic deep space conditions. Artemis I paved the way for crewed lunar missions beginning with Artemis II. Artemis II will carry 4 astronauts on a lunar flyby mission, testing all human systems and procedures. This crewed mission represents the critical step between uncrewed testing and actual lunar landing. Expected to launch in 2025, Artemis II will circle the moon and return to Earth safely. Artemis III marks humanity's triumphant return to the lunar surface after 5 decades of absence. 2 astronauts will spend approximately 1 week exploring the moon's South Pole region, conducting scientific research. This landing will establish initial infrastructure for permanent lunar settlement and resource exploration. The moon's South Pole holds tremendous scientific value and strategic importance. Water ice deposits in permanently shadowed craters could support human settlements and fuel production. This region also experiences continuous sunlight on surrounding peaks, ideal for solar power generation and long-term habitation. Some scientists theorize the moon could become a permanent scientific research station within 2 decades. The low-gravity environment offers unique opportunities for manufacturing, astronomy, and materials science research. Others envision lunar mining operations extracting valuable minerals and water for space industry advancement. The Artemis Accords represent international cooperation principles for lunar exploration and resource utilization. Over 30 nations have signed these agreements, establishing legal frameworks and safety standards for all missions. This framework ensures responsible exploration while advancing scientific knowledge benefiting all humanity. The moon serves as essential preparation for Mars exploration, humanity's next frontier. Technologies developed for lunar settlement will directly enable long-duration deep space missions. By 2030s, the knowledge gained from Artemis missions will propel humanity toward establishing the first human presence on Mars. Artemis represents humanity's commitment to exploration, discovery, and pushing boundaries beyond Earth. This ambitious program unites nations, inspires generations, and demonstrates what we can achieve through vision and determination. The moon awaits. Join NASA on this incredible journey shaping humanity's future among the stars.